Good day, my fellow countrymen. You are welcome. Yes, I was just going through the news and I saw where the FCT minister's aides, by name Lere Olayinka, allegedly accusing Moyele Sowore of owning a property in US worth 550,000 US dollars. I saw it, I was almost falling down laughing. What has that got to do with the case on hand between his boss and Sowore? Has Sowore ever occupied any government or political position in this country? As an individual, as a free person, as a free Nigerian, are you telling me he doesn't have a right to buy property anywhere outside Nigeria? So what has that got to do that he owns a property in US? Look, Olayinka, you have just exposed yourself that you don't know your job. If you know your job, you shouldn't have come up with such allegation. It would have been better, more honorable that you kept quiet. Pack yourself somewhere. Why would you say that kind of thing? Are you not charging Sowore for money laundering? You forget to realize that Sowore is the founder of Sahara Reporters, an online newsline. Come, were you dreaming when you decide to come out with such an allegation? Rather than you getting worried how your boss wife got the money to buy 3 properties of such magnitude. Yes, I know she's a high court judge as far back 2012. What was her salary? I know what the salary of a high court judge of a state is. It's about 1 point something. I don't want to mention the precise amount. Until their salaries were reviewed in August 2024 to 3 point something. Is it enough to buy that property in Florida? Rather than you getting worried how they got the money to buy what they buy, which of course your boss is denying that he does not have an idea they bought a property and so many other things he was saying in defense. You refuse to tackle the real issue and you are trying to counter Sowore that he has property too. Doesn't he have a right to buy property? It's a globally acknowledged news line. Everybody knows it. Do you know how much it's making per annum? See, you have just exposed yourself that you are not worthy to handle that portfolio. If I were to be your boss, the FCT minister, I will sack you. You don't know what you're doing. Go and look for better things to think about. Don't get into a fight that you know is messy because your boss fight, it needs God's intervention to survive it. So pack yourself somewhere. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and to like. Thank you. And I don't know how long the Igbos are going to be chased up and down wherever they are found. I'm already talking of 2027. Nobody's looking at the happenings around the world. Where is questionable? The chiefs, in terms of giving title, should decline, no matter how much they offer them. The criminals are taking